What's up, guys? My name is Junior, the creator of POV Window Tint School. This is probably one of the rare times you will get to see this handsome face because most of the course will be in POV format. This course is designed to get you into the field. You can go from beginner to professional. All you need to do is keep watching the videos and keep practicing. Now, some people may want to take the course of just getting a job in the tint field. Some people may want to be a business owner. Some people may just want to be a weekend warrior. It does not matter what your goal is. If you want to get into window tinting, this is the course to watch, and it's free. This course will give you the skills and knowledge that you need to get started and to advance your career in the window tint industry. I put countless hours into this course. All I ask is that you support my channels. This course is designed for people who are willing to put in the work. When I first started, I had a 9-to-5, and after that 9-to-5, I would come home and practice tinting for another 3 to 4 hours every night. I am giving you the sauce. It's up to you what you do with that information. I can't hold your hand throughout the whole process or be there to guide you, unfortunately. But if you do have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. I will create a Facebook group only for window tinters. There will be no customers in that group. It will be window tinters only. It will be beginners and professionals. That way, as the community grows, we can all help each other out. Window tinting is very profitable, but it takes a lot of practice, a lot of patience, and a lot of time to learn. When I first started my business, I was a weekend warrior. I was making an extra $1,200 every weekend on top of my regular 9-to-5 job. I will have a toolkit available to purchase and a link to get you set up with professional window tint so you can get started as soon as possible. Don't skip around the course. I designed it a certain way so you do not get burnt out. Learn at your own pace and master your skill one window at a time. I will be adding more videos as time goes on, depending on the comments and questions that I receive. If you do not understand something, please let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. I wish you the best of luck on your window tint journey because if you succeed, I succeed. All right, that's a wrap.